And a special thanks and shout out to Nableton Italian Imports Maserati Alfa Romeo Fiat in Indianapolis, Indiana, for allowing me to come out and film today. Hello everyone. Today we're going to be taking an in-depth walk-around look at this brand new 2018 Maserati Gran Turismo Convertible Sport. And this Gran Turismo is painted in Bianco Eldorado, and it features the Nero and Pearl Beige leather interior with the Nero accent stitching and the Radica de Noche wood trim. The Gran Turismos are rear-wheel drive, and they are powered by the 90-degree Ferrari Maserati 4.7-liter dual overhead cam 32-valve V8 engine. It creates 454 horsepower at 7,000 RPM, 384 pound-feet of torque at 4,750 RPM. They are good for a 0 to 60 mile per hour time in 4.6 seconds, with a 0 to 100 mile per hour time in 10.9 seconds. They'll clear the quarter mile in 13.1 seconds at 108 miles per hour, with a top speed of 179 miles per hour. It is mated to a ZF Source 6-speed 6 HP 26 automatic transmission. It features manual shiftability via the lever or the steering column mounted paddles. Unveiled in 2009 at the Frankfurt Motor Show, the production of the cars began in early 2010 at the Viale Chiaro-Menotti factory in Italy. European spec cars began in February, with US cars beginning in March. In 2011, at the Geneva Motor Show, the current sport version was unveiled with the same engine and transmission, but featured revised headlamps with black bezels, gloss black grille bars, and larger side skirts. Lower front winglets on the valance and the red lines of the Maserati Trident are also included. And this particular vehicle features the 20-inch polished aluminum Trident wheels. Tires are Pirelli P0s, and the fronts measure 245/35 ZR20, while the rears measure 285/35 ZR20. It also features cross-drilled brake rotors with red painted calipers. Fronts measure 14.2 inches in diameter with 6-piston calipers, while the rears have 13-inch diameters with 4-piston calipers. The Gran Cabrios are known as the Gran Turismo convertibles in the US, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand, and they are the convertible version of the Gran Turismo Sport Coupe that is equipped with the power folding canvas roof. As the Gran Cabrio retains the 4-passenger seating arrangement, this car is Maserati's first ever and only 4-seat convertible. Up front, the bold and aggressive styling of this model series is apparent with a low, wide-open grille with the gloss black accents and the large Trident badge mounted in the center. This vehicle features xenon high-intensity discharge projector beam headlamps with LED daytime running lights. It also features gloss black bezels in the headlamp lens. Front-mounted parking sensors are also installed. Alright, let's take a look inside. As you can see, nice attention to detail, nice craftsmanship on the interior of these cars. It does feature full leather interior with the burl wood trim. You've also got satin stainless steel accents and flat black. This vehicle does feature power heated, power fold-away mirrors. And of course, you also have power windows and power door locks. Stainless steel stamped Maserati tread plates. The pearl beige leather seats with the Nero accent stitching. It also features the Nero Trident stitching in the head restraints. Seats are 8-way power, feature 3-driver memory. They've also got 6-position heated seats, automatic headlamp and rear fog lamp control, various vehicle functions. And you've also got a leather-wrapped power tilt and telescoping steering wheel. Alright, pan through the interior and showing a little more details. Nice fluid power steering. It is speed proportional. Full leather wrapped steering wheel, including on the airbag cover. It also features multifunction controls for audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. As you can see, you also have the large paddle shifters. Iconic blue face gauges with a small digital driver display screen in the middle. Stitched leather continues on the dash top as well. This vehicle does feature the new redesigned oval-shaped clock with the fine sweep second hand. Also new for 2018 is the 8.4-inch Maserati touch control screen, similar to that of the Uconnect systems in most FCA products. Layout is similar, as you have radio, you also have your media, various controls and apps, as well as navigation. This vehicle also features an integrated trip computer as well. Navigation is Garmin based. And of course you have Bluetooth phone controls as well. By placing the vehicle in reverse, it does activate the backup camera. It does feature active guidance lines. Works in conjunction with the parking sensors front and rear. Alright, moving down the center stack. The older style climate controls are retained. You've also got buttons for sport mode, increase control and efficiency mode, and other driver modes. The control wheel controls the touchscreen as well. Dual front cup holders. Nice amount of storage in the center armrest with the inputs for SD card, USB, and auxiliary. Looking overhead, automatic dimming rearview mirror. 3-channel HomeLink universal garage door opener on the leather stitched driver's side sun visor. Over top you have LED map lights, as well as an LED dome light. This vehicle also features illuminated vanity mirrors. Alright, and gaining access to the rear seat is easy just by lifting up on the chrome handles. The seat will fold forward and the power adjustment will slide it forward. As you can see, the rear seat only seats 2 individual bucket seats, divided by a nice center console and 2 speakers, inboard mounted seat belts, leather padded armrest with illumination. The stitching continues in the rear as well. This vehicle does feature the 18-speaker Harman Kardon sound system. In the rear seat passengers also have 2 cup holders, 2 positional air vents, as well as 2 USB charge ports with a small amount of a storage tray. Alright, let's go ahead and raise the top. This is a sped up clip of the top in action. Give us a good look at the soft top. And this vehicle does feature the Nero canvas top. Does have a heated rear window. The top seal's nice and solid. It's fully automatic. There are no levers or latches to release. Just a quick exterior view with the top up. Car does keep its nice profile. Outward visibility is pretty good, considering with soft tops having a wide blind spot. And this vehicle does feature the matching pearl beige headliner. It is fully lined and insulated. Alright, and opening the luggage area is easy. There's a membrane switch underneath the A and the Maserati logo. As you can see, the trunk space is small. Luggage area on the convertibles is heavily impeded by the storage well for the folding soft top and only features an extremely narrow 6.1 cubic feet of cargo capacity. Underneath here you do have your tire inflator kit and tool kit. The vehicle also has a 12-volt power point in the trunk as well. And this does conclude our in-depth walk-around look at the 2018 Maserati Gran Turismo Sport Convertible. We hope the review was informative, and as always, thanks for watching.